Welcome to Fonts Learn. In this video, I'll show you how to configure database mail in SQL Server, allowing you to send email. You need to open Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, then select Object Explorer. Expand the node for the instance you want to configure database mail. Next, expand the management node, then right-click on Database Mail and select Configure Database Mail. Next, enter your profile name, then create a new database mail account. A database mail account contains the information that SQL Server uses to send email messages to an SMTP server. Each account contains information for one email server. Finally, enter your email account, SMTP server, and port. A database mail account is only used for database mail. A database mail account does not correspond to a SQL Server account or a Microsoft Windows account. Database mail can be sent using the credentials of the SQL Server database engine, using other credentials that you supply, or anonymously. When using basic authentication, the username and password in a database mail account are only used for authentication with the email server. An account need not correspond to a SQL Server user or a user on the computer running SQL Server. After you finish adding your email account, you need to create a database mail profile. A database mail profile is a collection of database mail accounts. Profiles improve reliability in cases where an email server becomes unreachable by providing alternative database mail accounts. If you want to test email sending, you can right-click on Database Mail, then select Send Test Email. Next, you need to enter the email you want to send, then click the Send Test Email button. If you want to view the mail log, you can right-click on Database Mail, and then select View Database Mail. You can easily check emails you have sent using SQL query. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.